Hi, my name is Aaron. I have a show called Listing Impossible. On my show, we deal with houses that are problematic, that have issues, and that are not selling. You guys do have some nice things in this house, but this fish is definitely not one of them. This house, 527 Palm, is the exact opposite. Every corner of this house is immaculately executed. I can't wait to show you around. Follow me. So the first thing you notice when you walk in is how open this floor plan is. The floors are porcelain. You have beautiful white oak walls, which is actually one of my favorite features of this house. It just feels warm, it feels light, and very livable. This stairwell is unbelievable. It has so much light and glass. Not only does it have the stone, but it has these beautiful integrated lights that really make it feel very unique. What's great about the staircase is it can take you upstairs and to what is by far my favorite game room downstairs. But for now, let me show you the kitchen and den. This is the main spot to be for parties, because let's face it, everyone wants to be around the food, and there's no better place for food than this top-of-the-line kitchen. Boffy cabinets, Italian marble, Gaggenau appliances, and when you pull back the custom Fleetwood doors, it doubles the space immediately, and you have this beautiful backyard with an infinity edge pool, exterior dining, sitting areas. You even have an outdoor kitchen. And if you look up, you can see the stunning terrace attached to the master bedroom. Let's go up and take a look. This master is a beautiful, zen, sexy experience. With walls of glass overlooking the grounds, it has a huge deck, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this marble wall. Perfectly bookmarked, and it expands almost the whole length of the room. The bathroom is like a luxe spa with the finest of details. It really is one of the finest bathrooms in Beverly Hills. The master is all about zen, but when you're ready to stir it up and have some fun, it's all about the game room downstairs. The lower level is a fantastic space. It has a beautiful bar made with incredible marble and a stunning lighted wood wall behind it. And if you're a wine drinker, what better than to have your own wine cellar? And if you play pool, a great pool table. And it has what I believe is one of the most amazing live walls that I have ever seen. And on top of that, you have this beautiful sculptural piece of wood where you could sit outside and enjoy nature. Thank you guys so much for coming. Hope you enjoyed the tour. And unlike a lot of the houses you'll see on my show, this is an example of a home that was done right.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?